circuits breaking, oil flying. This is gonna be the best Haitian meal with dessert I've ever had in my whole life. What happened, Jess? I overfilled the fryer and it just oil was flying everywhere. Nick took me to the zoo. Fort Worth Zoo. I've never been here. It's nice. It's cute. We're seeing lots of animals. It's not on? Alright, we're trying this place out. See if it's gonna be a good vendor to have at our wedding. Nick, of course, got cookies and cream. Gluten-free cookie dough. How many stars?
So far? 4 out of 5.
Cheers.
At the beach.
It's a very artsy shop.
Oh shit, they bug, dog.
Ooh,
You guys are probably the same size. Hi! Hi!
We're getting coffee at the
Roundhouse Cafe. T-Mobile sucks out here.
I love this.
I really wanted a white one.
Well, first of all, something borrowed, something blue.
Yeah.
It's good.
Oh, and you got me blue. That was the most stunning shot ever. Is it a nude?
No, I'm trying to feel. But if you lay on your stomach, it's better.
Yeah, I bet it is. My ovaries. You the back masseuse? Yeah. Ooh. You doggy? Wow. Oh, but you're airdropping me. Not yet. the sundial, and splat, this white poop hits both Nick and I at the same time, splat. And apparently it's good luck because it's very rare. Statistically, it's rare, and it hit us both, splat. So we're gonna see what kind of good luck comes our way. I bet, look, someone's on top. He's gonna go eating.
The last time we came here, actually, I didn't do it because it did freak me out.
But now it's